Let's talk about restoring old cars for a minute. Why bother? The average car on the road is 12 years old. Manufacturers want them to be engineered to last about 7 to 12. And the reality is, every year, the age of cars on the road goes up because they're more and more expensive and people are keeping them alive longer. Well, why would we keep a 50-year-old car alive? If the average car on the road is 12, so the average person's about 45, this car is almost 50, so it's like a 200-year-old grandma behind me. Okay, why would you keep 200-year-old grandma alive? 2 reasons. One, right here in the sentiment. If it was dad's car, mom's car, it's been in the family, sure, you're gonna want to take care of it. But 2 is the reliability aspect. I drive a 25-year-old car. I could drive a new one, but I drive a 25-year-old car because there's less parts to break, the parts are cheaper, and the labor to fix it is substantially less invasive. So I'm thinking of the long haul. Do I want to make sure that I have a car that looks shiny, fancy, and new? Or do I want to make sure I have a car that's really going to last for years and years and years? Well, if you're in the market for a new car every couple of years, buy whatever you want. No one's going to stop you. But for the majority of us, we're really looking for the long haul and the right investment. Take care of the car the right way. That's why when you're looking at a used car, you really investigate it and make sure that that previous owner took care of it well. And we do that here when we do your pre-purchase inspections for you, of course. At the same time, if you're worried about it and you go, is this the one? Bring it in. Before we spend a penny, let's all go through it with the expert and with you and make sure it's the right candidate. If it's got a lot of rust, major corrosion, maybe it's not the one. Here in Colorado, we're an alpine desert. Cars like this could be 50 or 60 years old and have no rust on them. So as long as it's the right car, it's probably worth keeping on the road, and it's probably cheaper. Let's talk about a Toyota for a moment. Toyota builds trucks that last 100 years, but those frames only last about 30. Why? Because Toyota knows that you can rebuild that truck after 30 years and put it back on the road, and they want to make sure you buy a new one. We'll help keep yours on the road as long as you want.